how to make a video ad in Canva to sell your products. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can create your own professional video ad using Canva. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your canva.com if you have not signed up with your Google account, and if you have already signed up, simply log in. So this is my Canva. Canva is an amazing platform with all of different features. It allows us to create different videos, photos, presentations, logos, and we can create flyers, and we can design t-shirts. We can do anything with Canva. So today I will be designing an ad for a product. So without any further ado, let's just jump into the process. It's really fun. What you have to do is you will simply select this video option from here, or you can actually go with a custom size as well. But I'm gonna go with a standard video size. Simply click right here and it will open up the canvas for you. This is our editor. So in here we have elements, uploads, text, audio, background, and more. These are different templates, but we will not be using one. And then we have our pages right here, scenes, we have our duration and other options. You can actually see that this is actually a product video that somebody has actually created. So to get an idea, what you can do is you can actually search for different templates as well. So if I go with product, all right, so you can see there are different templates available to sell product. Okay, this one looks pretty good. Let's check this one out. So it has 4 scenes. The first one, second one, third, and fourth. So if I want to add any of the scene, I can just go ahead and do that. Let's actually work with this, but I will customize it the way I want to. Now, what I need to do is the first one, I want this one. So this is my blank canvas. What I have to do is I will simply start from the scratch for you guys, but we will also insert any of the template in between. So for the first page, let's actually upload the product image. I will simply go to uploads right here, and I will upload my product image. So now I have uploaded the product image. It's good to go. First thing that I'm going to do is I will simply change the duration for this page, and it's going to be 4 seconds. Simply change the background color. So I'm gonna keep this theme with black and white because I think it looks pretty good, and it's gonna it goes with my product theme and with my store theme. So I'm gonna select this color right here, which is completely black, but my product color is black, right? So now what I'm gonna do is the background is going to be completely black, but let's just make it a little lighter. There you go, looks perfect. Now I will add the image. This is my product image, and the product is going to be here. Okay, let's actually add product to a second slide. For the first slide, let's just go with a text. So I'm gonna go over to text right here. Simply click on the heading. Now I have added my text. What I need to do is I will simply change the font. So I think this font actually looks pretty dope. So I'm gonna select this one. And my first slide is going to be very simple. So this is my text, and this is the font, this is the size. Let's just decrease the size a little. And we can also change the color for our text right here with this option, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to keep it white. So now let's animate it because we're creating a video and it's going to be for 4 seconds. So I want to animate the text. Simply go to effects. And now you will be able to see all of the effects right here. These are different styles and shape. And if you want to go for a shadow, or if you want to go for a lift. So this is a lift option, and you can see right here, I can actually lift it a bit. It's actually on the black background, so you might not, see the difference much. But that's how you simply add effects. Simply go to more and then simply go to animate. So after the effects, the next step is going to be animating. So you can see I can rise it, I can add it right like this, or maybe, okay, so the pen one actually looks pretty impressive. You can see the product will be shown right here, or we can just go with this one. All right, so all of these different animations are available. Let me actually show you all of them. You can see it looks pretty good. So what I am liking is I'm liking the typewriter so far, and then the pen one. So the pen one is really basic. So let's go with typewriter, and it's like this. Perfect. So I'm gonna click on typewriter, and it is going to be just like this. Now the effect is actually added. Once the effect is added, what you have to do is you can simply go back, and if I play the video, you can see this is how it looks like, okay, let's decrease the timing to 3.2. Perfect. So now our first scene is ready. You can see this is what it looks like. Okay, so let's move on to our next page. So for next page, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go for a template. Simply search for product, because with product I will, with templates I will actually get a better idea that what kind of I should go with. Okay, this one actually goes with my theme. You can see right here it's like grayish and black, so I'm just gonna select this one. Okay, this page looks pretty impressive and it has all the right different elements. You can add elements from this option right here. All of them are selected from here, so don't worry. So let's go with a template this time. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the background to black. Now it goes with our theme. We need to change the text right here. I will do that first. Now we can simply move the different elements. If you want to remove any element, you can do that as well. So we have this and it looks pretty impressive. Now we need to change this video right here. I do not want that. I will simply go to my uploads and upload an image of my product that I have already prepared. So once you have uploaded your video, you can simply click on the video, you can crop it, you can change the size, you can change the color of the video, you can flip it, you can also animate a video. You can make it transparent, and I have actually cropped it a bit, and now this is what it looks like. Then again, we have the same text. If I play it, this is what it looks like. All right, if I want to customize a bit, I will actually make it, let's go with black and white. So what I'm gonna do is I will simply select this video. If I go to animate, then I can animate it a little if I want to, but for now I think it looks good. So we have two scenes. Let's move on to our third scene, or maybe two scenes are enough. But similarly, if you want to create a new scene, you can simply go to elements, and I can just go to elements now and I can add different features, maybe some information about the pricing, and I will just simply, create a new slide here. To add a new elements, you can simply search for different elements and you can add them to your slide here. And once you do that, then your third slide will also be ready, just like we do it in Canva. So for now, I think these two slides look pretty impressive. I will simply play it for you now. You can see this is our first scene and it looks pretty impressive. And then we have our second scene and it looks like this. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. So yeah guys, this is how you simply create a product ad on Canva. It's really easy and we can actually work with a lot of different elements and a lot of different fonts or videos and other things. So Canva allows you to create a professional ad very easily, and now you can do that as well. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.